Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Sonata thermostat. First, let's gather all the necessary tools and supplies for this job. You will need a ratchet with various sockets, a pair of pliers, and a screwdriver. Make sure you have a new thermostat, a fresh gasket, and the correct type of coolant ready. Also, prepare a drain pan and some shop rags for any coolant that might spill. Now, let's move on to draining the coolant and accessing the thermostat. Begin by placing your drain pan under the radiator drain plug and carefully open it to drain the coolant. Once drained, locate the thermostat housing, which is usually at the end of the upper radiator hose where it connects to the engine. Use your pliers to loosen the clamp and carefully remove the upper radiator hose. With the housing exposed, it's time to replace the thermostat. Use your ratchet and appropriate socket to remove the bolts holding the thermostat housing in place. Gently pry the housing off, being mindful of any remaining coolant. Remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly, then install the new thermostat, ensuring it's oriented correctly, and secure the housing with its bolts. Finally, let's refill the system and test it. Reconnect the upper radiator hose and ensure all clamps and bolts are tight. Slowly refill the cooling system with fresh coolant, allowing air to escape. Start the engine, let it warm up, and keep an eye on the temperature gauge and for any leaks. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Top off the coolant as needed after the engine cools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.